India. The nation creating new benchmarks of growth and touching new heights of progress in the agricultural and industrial fields. As the nation is flowing with a surge of growth and modernization, the one thing that strengthens our bond with nature is water. And an entity that makes this precious resource of nature an integral part of every growth story, be it agriculture or industry, is Duke, an epitome of quality and trust in submersible pumps and pipes since 1989. A distinguished name founded on the ingrained values like commitment to quality and customers' trust, integrity and discipline, Duke has earned the repute of a leading pumps and pipes manufacturing company. It is our vision to make a formidable presence both nationally and internationally with the highest quality products and committed approach. Fulfilling this vision has become the quest for each member of the Duke team, who with abiding values leaves no stone unturned to accelerate its growth. To accomplish our goal of offering smart pumping solutions for agriculture and industry, we consistently stay updated and keep pace with the latest trends and advanced technologies. All our products are manufactured in a world-class automatic plant, wherein each process from raw material selection to the final product goes through stringent quality checks, ensuring they are energy efficient and highly durable. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing plant is a fine combination of manpower and machine power, where advanced pieces of machinery and experienced and expert staff exhibit great synergy. In the submersible pump and motors industry, we offer comprehensive solutions that include all types of submersible pumps and motors, fabricated pump sets, high-efficient and high RPM Smart Series pumps, solar pumps, open well pumps, domestic pumps, monoblock pumps, to name a few. The Submersible Power Cable series consists of XLPE Duke Green Cable, Duke Empower Cable, as well as PVC standard cables. Our extensive range of products has multiple applications in agriculture, industry, domestic, solar, drainage, and others in various capacities. Our automatic plant is equipped to manufacture products like UPVC column, casing, plumbing, pressure and SWR pipes, as well as HDPE pipes. Our pipes are supplied for borewell, irrigation, domestic, plumbing, chemical distribution, and drainage applications. From raw materials to the final dispatch, our state-of-the-art manufacturing plant is equipped with types of machinery like advanced CNC, VMC, as well as robotic automation and more. Our products fulfill various national and international quality standards like ISI, ISO, and more. Always committed to deliver only the best and innovative solutions. Our research and development team is consistently working towards catering customer and market demands. Our quality control expert is always at the helm of affairs to ensure that each product passes through SPC and SQC quality checks and relentlessly explores ways to enhance the quality of the products. Duke Submersible Pumps are certified by BIS New Delhi, as well as they have been awarded the 5 stars rating by Bureau of Energy Efficiency. The Japanese state-of-the-art systems adopted by the company like Six Sigma, Kanban, Kaizen, 8S play a pivotal role in making it a global brand. Since our inception in 1989, Duke has received multiple awards and accolades for its high-quality range of submersible pumps and pipes. To name a few: National Award for Quality Product UPVC Pipes 2006, National Award for Outstanding Entrepreneurship Small Scale Industry by the Honorable Shri Narendra Modi, Empower Award 2009 for the highest energy saving in submersible pump, National Award Outstanding Entrepreneurship 2009, State Shramveer Award 2009 for Best Kaizen. National Quality Award, the Government of India, MSME Industry in 2010 for production of submersible pumps. SME Award 2015. National Lean Manufacturing System Award 2016. Apart from these, we have been certified for our no-compromise quality and performance. They are for the astounding success that Duke has achieved over the years. The Managing Director of the company, Shri Prabhudas Patel, owes it to all the directors and the team. It is a company where the employees work like family, putting all their dedication and passion with the highest integrity and diligence. Their commitment is rewarded as the company shares profit with the team for the enhancement of their skill and knowledge, as well as for their overall development. The company at regular intervals organizes technical seminars, training sessions, sports competitions, and many more. Apart from the team, Duke is equally indebted to its dealers and customers. With our attentive and always on-the-toe after-sales team, we ensure that the customer is always happy and satisfied with our products and services. Our adherence to quality, innovation, timely solution, and customer satisfaction has helped us earn the trust and love of our esteemed and prestigious clients that include WASMO, UNICEF and WHO, Western Railway, and many more companies we worked for and feel proud. With an extensive dealer network comprising 3,000 plus leading dealers spread across the country, Duke is reigning the industry with its illustrious product range and performance. Our export team is also marching ahead to leave the global imprint with Duke's quality products across the world, which has already covered more than 27 countries successfully. We also owe it to our suppliers and credit them as a part of our success for their timely supply of consistently best quality raw material. For Duke, the society that we live in is a family. We understand our responsibility to make it better, and we consistently contribute towards its upliftment through many social initiatives. From education, women education scholarship, environment, health, animal health, as well as cleanliness drive, Duke has always been at the forefront towards taking up social causes with conscious and positive results. Duke also regularly supports the municipal corporation, old age homes, Rotary clubs, Red Cross, as well as Indian Army in its full capacity. For us, the journey to excellence and success has just started. We are committed and determined to make it brighter and better. Duke, 3 decades of trust and excellence in smart pumping solutions.